Hi guys, it's Miss Rowe. I'm just going to make a little video on how to start up and use Word. So here's the desktop, as you can see here. We'll go right down to the corner. Doesn't really matter normally which Microsoft Windows version you are using. So obviously I'm on 10. So click the bottom there, so it'll bring up a list. Obviously everyone will see a bit different here, but there's always a file explorer, and obviously if you look down your list, then you can see everything that you have installed on the PC. So for example, for this one, I use it quite frequently, so it's most used Word 2016. If you go down the list, if you're stuck and can't find it, then you just go down to Microsoft Office. So obviously you'll find it in yours. I've got 2016, but you might have a different version. There's like 2019 that you can use as well. So depending on your Windows version, then obviously it's called something different. So for example, let's just go on to Word 2016. So we'll open that now. If you've already used something before, normally your recent ones are pinned. So obviously I made a poster. I've made a printout for my year 7s and etc. These are my year 10 11s here. And this is my Scratch Maze Advanced game. So let's have a look. You can open a blank document. Just bring up a blank screen. Then if you go up to File, Open, it'll let you see them documents. So Zombie Maze Advanced, Copyright, etc. These are the ones I used last week. Or if you click New, then you can either put in the blank document which we actually used a minute ago, or you can click at the templates at the top. So say whilst you're homeschooling, you want to have stickers with your own name on. As long as you've got the sticker paper, then it'll work. You might want to create leaflets, charts, brochures. Brochures are always a good little project as well that you can choose. So let's just choose anything. Go back to home. We'll choose education, and here we can see various posters or projects that you'll be able to use. This is a cool project, the newspaper. So you could give your child a little project to do there. You could say, let's make a eco newspaper. You could talk about businesses using paper straws and just being environmentally friendly. And obviously you can change all of that on there, which is fantastic in Word. I absolutely love Microsoft Office. So here we go. So now we can change that. So if we want, obviously we're going to call it Miss Rowe's newspaper. There we go. Lovely jubbly. If you go down to the pictures and you want to change them, you can double click on them and then it'll bring up the format and design sections. You can obviously change it to however you would like as well. You can change the design. If we go down a bit more, you can add borders in, or we can talk, going eco. And then you can start writing all the details in. So that's quite a nice little project for you there. Obviously, if you go back into new, we'll go into education again. You'll have to just explore the different types. But if we go to here, there we go. So many templates on here that you can use at home. So as long as you've got a printer, and even if you don't have a printer, in my last video I showed people how to make a new folder so you can create various subjects in those folders. Okay, so give that a go. So File, New, and then Explore. Explore the different types of templates that you can use on Microsoft Office. You could create some great Easter posters as well. But I'll make a separate project for that and a separate video. Okay, good luck.